Hello everyone, I am Mangesh Kulkarni from Candid Advisors. I take this opportunity to welcome you to this YouTube channel, Saving and Investing. Today we are going to discuss a trading setup that is visible on the charts of Mahindra and Mahindra. Current market price of M&M is 828 rupees. Before proceeding, it is my duty to express my gratitude towards these people from whom I have learnt a lot by watching them on television and YouTube. So, Mr. Ramdev Agarwal, then Mr. Prakash Gaba, and Mr. Anuj Singhal. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do it so that you don't miss any important update regarding long-term investment stock analysis or short-term stock analysis. Now, let's quickly go to the charts of Mahindra and Mahindra. So as it is visible on the charts, this uptrend has started from March 2020 from the price of 250 rupees. So stock went up from 250 rupees to 955 rupees approximately. So medium term trend is clearly upwards. Now this consolidation started from 8th of February 2021. So this was a decent correction, price correction and time correction. Then one more point to note is this was a last uptrend from 746 to 952. So approximately 200 rupees up rally happened in a matter of 3, 4, 5, 6 trading sessions. And while coming down, the stock took approximately 3.5 months or 3 months. So while going up, it went up in 6 trading sessions. While coming down, it took 3 months. Now look at the volume. While going up, the volume was continuously increasing. On this candle, the volume was 21 million approximately, and while coming down, the volume was much lower. So this indicates that this is a correction and not a start of downtrend. Now one more very important point. Recently, as you can see, this is almost a triple bottom on daily charts. So this price is approximately 735 rupees. So 12th of April, then 4th of May and 17th May. From this level approximately 735 rupees, the stock is going up continuously. So 735 is a very strong zone. Now looking at the moving averages, all the moving averages have come to closer, have come very closer now. The 10-day moving average has started going up, and similar is the case with 20-day moving average. 50 and 100-day moving average are flat. So this is a clear triple bottom pattern. And one more important thing, last 4 trading sessions, or for that matter last 5 trading sessions, so this was the very tight range from 825 rupees to 805 rupees. So approximately 20 rupee range. So might be this was a expiry play for eating the call option premium. So looks like the uh, stock was kept below the 825 rupees or 830 rupees for to eat the premium. Now the expiry has happened today. Now from tomorrow the next expiry will start. So this can be a good candidate for next expiry. And our strategy is, if I have to buy 100 shares, I will buy 50 at current market price. Then I will buy 50 at approximately 780 rupees. So my average price will be 805 rupees. And from 805, I will keep a stop loss at approximately 700 rupees. So 10 to 12% of risk, and if the trading setup works out, then my target will be approximately 1000 rupees. So 12% of risk and 20 to 25% of reward. So that is the possibility in next 3 months. So risk reward wise, this is a very good trade that I have identified. Now let's see how this trade works out. I hope we all will make money from this trade. And we also have stock market courses. If you are interested, you can visit our website www.candidadvisor.in. I will also share the link in the description section. Till then, have a nice day. Happy investing, happy trading.